Are you a graphic designer or Illustrator editor? Then you have to know about how to download CorelDRAW for free on PC and laptop in 2025 and how to use it. Also, if you want to win CorelDRAW for 1 year, then watch this video and participate in the giveaway. First, click the link given in the description below. You will land on this page, then click on the products section. Then you will see 3 options here: individual, business, and education, etc. Then choose the individual plan and click on CorelDRAW Graphics Suite. Then you will see 2 plans here: annually or one-time purchase. Choose the plan as per your requirement. Click on subscribe now. Then fill out the required information, including your personal debit or credit card details. Then click on next. Now the plan is activated. Next, now click on the second link and download the CorelDRAW Graphics Suite from here. Then log in with the same email ID you used before. Now you can use all CorelDRAW apps. You can see all the features are here. You can make all shapes from here as per your design. All types of text are here. Just write and change fonts and sizes easily. You have so many types of paintbrush tools. Also, you have shadow tools, and so many tools are available here. Let me show you my designs using all these tools. Here you can see the actual capabilities of CorelDRAW when you see this design. If you want to win the 1-year free membership of CorelDRAW, then follow all these steps. Check the description and make sure you participate in the giveaway and get a chance to win CorelDRAW. So that's enough for today's video. Bye, have a nice day.